Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on new tools and new navigation in Copilot Studio. Microsoft recently launched these tools. So let's get started. Now, at the left side panel of your Copilot Studio, you can see a new section or menu named Tools. Once you click on the Tools menu, you can see the new variety of tools. So let's see what these tools are. This is the prompt I've already created. Now click on this New Tool menu. In the list, first we got New Prompt. Using this tool, we can apply AI to text, documents, or images to analyze, summarize, or transform them. Then we can create agent flow. These predictable automations run the same way each time, giving you more control when you need it. Earlier, if you wanted to create a flow for your agent, you had to create it from either the Power Automate or Power Apps Maker tool, but now we can create agent flows from Copilot Studio itself. Now, then we have got Custom Connector. If you want to connect your Copilot agent with external services and data sources, you can create a custom connector from Copilot Studio itself. Earlier, you had to create this from the Power Automate Maker tool. Then we got REST API. It offers a flexible and scalable way for your agent to connect with and use data. So if you want to call a REST API, you can use this tool from your agent, and you can call any REST API from Copilot Studio. Then we got a computer use tool. This tool offers to let your agent complete tasks that require browsing the web, filling out forms, and clicking buttons, so your agent can be used like a human user. This feature is in preview mode. Microsoft is working on this. Once this comes, there will definitely be a revolution in the AI industry. This is much-awaited feature to come. Next, we got the Model Context Protocol. This is an open standard for connecting your agent to data designed with AI in mind. This feature is also in preview mode. Microsoft is working on this. From this tool list, last two are in preview mode and not yet published. Looking at these powerful tools and features, it's clear that the future of Copilot agents is incredibly promising. They're set to bring even more value to your daily work, helping you complete tasks faster, more efficiently, and with greater ease. While all the tools on this list are valuable and relevant for businesses, the feature I'm most excited about is the computer use capability. It has huge potential, and I plan to create a dedicated video on it once it becomes publicly available. In the meantime, let me know in the comments which feature you're most interested in and how it could benefit your business. Now let me show you how to create a new prompt using the New Prompt tool. I have already created a new prompt using this tool. So you can also create a new prompt by clicking on this New Prompt link. This is the prompt creation screen. You can write a summary of the text here as a prompt. Right? This is the sample prompt to summarize a given text. This is how I have created this prompt. Now I can use this prompt in my agent. So these are the new tools and navigation in Copilot Studio that Microsoft recently launched. Now can create an agent flow from the Copilot Studio tool itself from the Flows menu link. Earlier, this was not there. You had to create a flow from the Power Automate Maker tool and call it from Copilot Studio as an action. These flows I had created using the Power Automate Maker tool and use them as actions in my agent. Now you can create and design your flow from Copilot Studio itself. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If it added value to your day, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me grow and keeps you updated with the latest content. In the coming days, I'll be sharing more exciting videos on trending Microsoft technologies like Microsoft Copilot, Generative AI, Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, SharePoint Online, Artificial Intelligence, and much more. Stay connected, and let's grow together on this journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.